that paragraph.
Great. This is the entire conclusion that why this selection, this cannot be segregated.
Anybody else?
Therefore, it should be cancelled totally.
But Mr. Ghoshal was there on the other side, not that time. Lord, so I would respectfully say, request him to be on that side again.
Anyone else supporting Mr. Rahim and Mr. Bhattacharya?
You can't be on that side and then here.
Anyone else supporting both of you?
I would
Only two of you then.
may I only send to state since
If Mr. Vikram or Mr. Firdaus wants to add a line, because they are youngsters, because I told them that this court would hear everybody.
Don't you add
I
some?
just want to place one thing, the School Service Commission and the state must come up with a definite stand. And before the High Court, they have not come with a definite stand how as to the number of illegalities. Even then, courts of hearing, my lord, one after another affidavits came up, but the stand of the state as to the definite number of illegalities, neither the state nor the School Service Commission could submit before the court. And what I want to respectfully submit, your lordship, is that whether illegalities would exist in future or not, after the identified numbers. In that event also, my lord, the chairman of the School Service Commission is physically present. He also cannot say throughout the entire selection process whether further number would come out or not. He is personally present before this court. With this, my lord, I end my submissions. Thank you.
my lord, I am supporting Mr. Rahim and Mr. Bhattacharya my lord, only on the 4 affidavits that have been filed before the division bench, my lord. The first affidavit, there was a full bench decision of the School Service Commission. After the first affidavit, the second affidavit came saying that the first affidavit is not exhaustive. They gave a list that these are the number of illegalities, where, my lord, certain illegalities were not given. Third affidavit, they say, my lord, it has been already placed that identified so far. And the fourth affidavit, my lord, which has also been placed before your lordship, states that in clarification of the third affidavit, we found that these are. So till date, the division bench gave them chance to file 4 affidavits. SSC is not clear what is the figure, exact figure of illegalities, because, my lord, kindly one thing, since there are 100 vacancies and 150 candidates have been appointed, my lord. So who are those extra 50%? SSC cannot identify. My lord, admittedly, 100 recommendations, 200 appointments, and they are saying that we did not issue. And this has come from BAG, Justice BAG committee reports also. Those persons are not identified. And interestingly, my lord, if your lordship sees the written submission of SSC filed before your lordships, they have not said, they have not given the figure who have been appointed after more than vacancies and more than recommendations. Only because these cannot be segregated and these cannot be identified. And other, my lord, I adopt the submissions of Mr. Bhattacharya. Wait.
In addition of submission made by